So I've been getting lots of requests about Adobe's hair wash routine, and today I'll be showing you all everything that you guys need to know, from the products we use to the process and everything in between. So we're gonna start off with the products, and here are all the products that I use. First, we have the deep moisturizing conditioner by Shea Moisture. Next, I have the daily hydration shampoo, still from Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture are my go-to products when it comes to my daughter hair care routine, because their products are just spectacular for some reasons, which I'll be telling you all later. And next, I have this brush that I use in brushing her hair, obviously. And again, I have this big tooth comb, which is very essential, especially when you're dealing with a thick hair. And I have yet another white tooth comb, but this is smaller, and this black one. Like, these three combs are my go-to in taking care of my daughter's hair. And I have this Cantu shampoo, which I just want to show you all. So I tried on this shampoo just once, and I realized that it thickens Adobe's hair. Adobe already have a very thick, fussy hair, so I didn't want anything that will add thickness to her hair. So in case your child's hair is not as thick, you might want to try it out. And of course, I have our very own Adaoz leave-in conditioning hair butter, as well as the hair growth oil, which I didn't show here anyways. And next, I have the scalp massager, which is very essential. That's all the products for now, so let us begin. Adobe have this messy braids that I put on her hair 2 days ago after taking down her hairstyle. I took down the hairstyle and immediately put her hair into this messy braids, leaving those two because I mean I just couldn't spare the time. Anywho's, I'm gonna take down all this, but before that, I will moisturize her hair so her hair is not dried out, leading to hair breakage and all that. I'll be using this DIY detangling spray I made. If you want to see a video of how I achieved this, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to make a video about that. I will then start spraying it into her hair, making sure the hair is damp before taking it out. Now that we are done taking down her hair, we will head on to the bathroom with the essentials like the shampoo and deep conditioner, and also the scalp massager. I'll first of all drench her hair with enough water, then go in with a few pumps of shampoo, circulating it all over her hair, making sure it penetrates everywhere so her hair can foam well. And after that, I went in with the scalp massager. This does not only help in form of brushing the hair, it also helps with, massaging the scalp, aiding blood circulation, which promotes hair growth in turn. So after I've thoroughly washed her hair and her scalp, I started rinsing off the shampoo. And when I was done, next is to go in with the deep moisturizing conditioner. I'll go in with a few pumps, spread that all over her hair, just like we did with the shampoo. Only that deep conditioner doesn't foam like shampoo. Please take note of that. Let me quickly give a little rundown of the benefits of deep conditioners. First, it adds moisture to the hair, which is very obvious. It promotes hair elasticity, it prevents damages to the hair, and it restores natural shine to one's hair. The list goes on and on, but these are the most important ones. So after I was done evenly distributing the conditioner onto her hair, I went in with a white tooth comb. I started combing gradually, starting from the ends of the hair, building a less friction down to the roots. And next, I went in with a brush. See, you have to be very careful at this stage so you don't end up breaking your child's hair or even your own hair. You have to be very careful while brushing a natural hair, a natural fussy hair, to prevent breakage, to prevent excess shedding. So you really need to be careful. This is the amount of hair that broke, which are not much, considering all the brushing that was done. So I am now rinsing out the hair. As you guys can see, Adobe was really enjoying this whole water thing, so there was no way I was going to deny her this. We did more than this as kids. We played in the rain. Our kids don't get to do these things, so why not allow her enjoy this little thing. Finally, we are now out from the water, and I'm gonna go in with the Adaoz leave-in conditioning hair butter. This leave-in conditioning hair butter is a 2-in-1 product because it contains properties that conditions the hair, which means it contains lots of moist, to hydrate, to moisturize the hair, and then it contains properties that seal in moist, and that is the work of the butters included in it. So this is a must have. Get one for yourself and your child, and your hair will thank you later. So I evenly distributed that onto Adaoz hair, and then I went in with a white tooth comb and started combing out. Lastly, I went in with our popular Adaoz hair growth oil. This oil doesn't only grow hair, it also nourishes the hair with its amazing properties, and it seals in moist onto the hair, which is very important. It adds shines to the hair. See, this oil is trillion in one. You can't go wrong with it at all. So I started massaging her scalp. Okay, this is very important. It helps in blood circulation. It stimulates the scalp. Massage your scalp as often as possible. And finally, we are all done. See how Adaoz hair is looking beautiful and healthy. So don't forget to give the video a massive thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Bye bye.